Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, December 12, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto, 2 PM. 3D Lotto, 2 PM result ngayong December 12, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto, 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos. Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 223 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 264 million pesos for December 12, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, December 12, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.